everybody, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be making a super delicious, easy, and it's actually the best green salsa out there. This salsa is perfect for tacos, any kind of tacos. Tacos de asada, carnitas, al pastor, whatever kind of tacos you like, this is a sauce. It actually also pairs great with your breakfast in the morning with some refried beans, some huevitos, anything you like. Now, let's get started and let me show you guys how to make it. Let me show you the ingredients we're gonna use for this salsa. We're gonna be needing 1 pound of tomatillos. We're gonna be using 6 chile serranos, half of a white small onion, a small bunch of cilantro, and a garlic clove. Okay, once we have our boiling water, we're gonna add our pound of tomatillos. Next, we're gonna be adding our 6 chile serranos, but we're gonna be removing the stem. And we're gonna throw in some salt. Since we're waiting for the tomatillos to boil, I'm gonna be dicing the white onion. I'm gonna be dicing it very small. Okay, I'm gonna finally chop my cilantro, but I'm gonna remove part of the stem so that we don't have too much in it. And then we start. Now let's see if they're ready. And they are. They've been boiling about 5 minutes. And you can see they're ready because they turned a different color. So now we're gonna turn it off and we're gonna be transferring them to the blender cup. And you can see they turned like a greenish, yellowish color, so then you'll know that they're ready. We're gonna be adding the garlic clove and another pinch of salt. Remember, salt it all depends on your flavor, your taste. You're gonna be adding it as it goes, and then we're gonna cover and blend. Pour it into our bowl. Now we're gonna be adding our onion that we finely chopped. I like to chop it very small because it's not as spicy. Now, let's add cilantro. And then we'll mix it. And that's it, guys. This is how our delicious salsa verde looks like. Perfect for your tacos, on huevitos rancheros, whatever you like. And since I don't have any tacos, I'm gonna be trying it with some chips. It's also perfect for like chips and salsa. So whatever you'd like. All right. This is my favorite part. Let's try it. Honestly, it's a little spicy, but I really, really love spicy. But keep in mind that if you don't like that spicy, you can always just use jalapeno peppers instead of the serrano. But the taste, amazing. All right, guys, that's it for this time. Please let me know if you try and make this salsa, and don't forget to tag me on my social medias. And if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like our videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.